Hi, today we're gonna cook shrimp with cashew, and that's the cashew we're gonna use. That's the shrimp. They are like 21, 25 size, and you clean it, and that's it. And now we're gonna marinate them. All you have to do is just put some white pepper and salt. All right, just mix them up. All right, then after that we're gonna put some egg in it, egg white in it, just an egg white, just one egg white. That's it. Now mix them together. Okay, and also you're gonna put some starch, cornstarch in it. See, just enough to cover the shrimp. Maybe just a little bit more. Okay, then we can turn on the heat, and you put some oil in it. Like that. See, all right, and just wait until it heat up. Couple tablespoons of oil in it. Okay, then now it's heat up. Then we put the shrimp in it. All right. So you turn it up to the medium heat because you don't want to get it burned. So you want to cook it slow so you can cook through it. Otherwise, if you turn it too high, and it will burn the bottom. Normally they brown. On both sides, they are cooked. I think it's pretty much done. Okay, then we're gonna scoop them out. Then now you can put so we're gonna cook with like ginger, garlic, and sweet peas, and onion and carrot, and also with celery too. Celery. Okay, then now we're gonna put the garlic and the ginger in, and you don't want to cook it too hot because they will burn it real easy. The garlic and the ginger, so this is a light, real light, low fire. Yeah. They hot enough. So you're going to put the onion in it. Normally you want to kind of brown up the onion so they can get the flavor out, the onion flavor. And after that, you can see the onion and they get browning. They start browning up, and so we can put the other stuff in it. The carrot and the sweet pea, sugar pea. So I'm going to turn the heat up a little bit on high. Okay, then you can put the last thing in it. That's the celery. Celery cut it strip, you know, like a little long strip. And we're gonna put some cherry cooking wine in it. Put just a couple tablespoons. And we're gonna put half the tablespoon of sugar. And like that, then you put a little bit of water in it, probably a quarter cup. Like that. Just enough to cover the thing, cover the whole thing. If it's faster, we can cover them up by easier, feel fast. Just cook it for a couple minutes. I think it's done. Just a couple minutes. So, all right. Alright, then we're going to put a bit of sesame seed oil in it. Maybe 1 tablespoon. And 1 oyster sauce. 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. And now we're going to mix some water. Take 1 tablespoon. And mix with some water. Cornstarch and water. Okay. Then we're gonna put some, maybe a couple handful of cashew nut in it. All right. Then now we're gonna thicken the sauce. So the easy way, you can cook it longer, or you can put some cornstarch in it. Alright. Then you put the shrimp in it. Okay, then turn out the heat. Alright, then you can scoop this up. Just a couple of pieces like that. Okay, this is shrimp with cashew.